Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the projector. This is the C1 from TCL and it has Google TV built in. Inspire Greatness, works with Netflix, YouTube, Prime, Google Cast, and it has Dolby Audio. Nice guide. Remote control, power adapter, and they even included 2 batteries. So yeah, let's just have a quick look at the remote. And like you've seen, it takes 2 AAA. Okay, so this can act as a handle as well, so you could lift it around. There's a tripod mount in there. That's how it looks like, and it's all sealed. So this is the foot, and you can move if you want to project upwards or straight. And on the back you have a HDMI port, USB port, audio jack, and the power button. And it doesn't have power, and it doesn't have a battery built in. And yeah, there's a proximity sensor. It looks like a camera in there. So yeah, let's just plug it in. Okay, so it's plugged in. You can see the power button is on. So we just try to use the remote to see if it comes up with anything. Or maybe you have to first turn it on from the button. Let's see. You can hear the fan, and it's already on, and it should normally automatically adjust itself. So let me just project a bit upwards so you can see what I'm looking at. So currently it's like that. Let's see if it adjusts itself. And this room is quite bright, I have to say. And you should normally, you can still see it very well. So look how it's adjusting itself. It could be the case that this is a bit annoying, this. Maybe if we can drag this out a bit. Yeah. Hasn't really done a good job adjusting itself. But maybe it's too close, or as soon as you move it, it should adjust itself. But it's not very clear. Maybe I'm asking too much. Maybe if it's more straight like that. Let's see. It's just not clear. I hope it hasn't been a bit damaged from the transport. So the first thing, I had to pair the remote control. So you just have to press these buttons at the same time, and then it gets paired. So now it's just selecting the. Okay, so that's how it looks like when it's also a bit it's not that dark. And this is only the speaker from the projector, and it has a really nice image. Yeah, so cinema-like TV.
To see right and wrong.
And this is like a 4K video. Then 80, 60 hertz, so that's good. Just see how fast you can move forward if you really want to. Yeah guys, thanks for watching.